We modified Toyota Lexus V80. Yes. It is a beautiful day. Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic, babe.
Oh yeah, this is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. It's your boyfriend, you know of my guy here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is it, man. This is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. I've got Pogba here and I've got Thendo boy. Today they are working on BMW E30. They are going to remove the steering column. So this is it, man. This is the toolbox which they are going to use to remove the steering column. So the steering column, in order to remove this steering column properly, we are going to remove this bolt. Then inside again we have got two other bolts down there. This is it, man. On this car, BMW E30, we modified Toyota Lexus V80. As you can see, it's V8, 8-cylinder. It's power. He's turning the steering column and Pogba is working underneath there. Sawangena. Ichonga phakathi. Okay, the ignition is out. Yeah, this is the ignition, baby. Don't mind it, it's our own ignition, this one. Oh yeah. Down there are two bolts which are holding the steering column. Robo ingwange ya pasi rone visa ezo sarawo ndi zwa pasi ke chichova yebo foro basumedze ni ribo foga nango nyo tikelwanga ni vundenyi zwana. Huh?
Hey?
What did you feel?
I feel something. I feel power.
You feel power.
Yeah.
You feel power.
Yeah.
This is Lexus, baby. V8. Yeah, man. This is it. We did it. High five. Okay, this is a cold start. a roaring lion. Don't worry, you will give it a try. Just that the oil, it must first goes up then and lubricate every channel so that it can get warm. Then we can give it a try, bruh. I can see it in your heart. You are happy with this thing. It's starting. It's nice and proper.
Power. I feel power.
Eh?
I feel power. I can't feel anything. I feel power.
You feel power.
Yeah.
You cannot feel anything.
Yeah.
Only the power.
Yes.
Power to the nation. Power to you, Thendo boy. Everywhere it's power. I told you, this is our fuel tank. We don't play. You can feel what?
Power.
You feel power. Power to the people. Let's try the power. Alright. This is it, man. We wanna test the car. Huh? The sunroof is working, baby. Yeah? Look at it. Going back. Sunroof. But get it. It is a beautiful day in South Africa. Yeah. As we wanna test this beast. We wanna see what's cooking, because it just went to dyno for tuning. So we wanna see. Oh yeah? It is a beautiful day. Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic, babe.